Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about 21 amazing ways you can make money with ChatGPT in 2023. First of all, for those of you who may not be familiar, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of generating human-like text, making it a powerful tool for content creation, copywriting, and more. One of the most obvious ways to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. You can use it to generate high-quality, unique articles, blog posts, and social media content that can help attract more traffic to your website and increase your earning potential through advertising or affiliate marketing. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through copywriting. Many businesses are looking for high-quality marketing materials, such as product descriptions, landing pages, and email campaigns, but don't have the time or resources to write them themselves. ChatGPT can do this work for you, saving businesses time and money while still producing great content. ChatGPT can also be used for social media management. It can help you write engaging posts, captions, and comments that can increase engagement and followers, leading to more opportunities for sponsored posts and collaborations. E-commerce is another area where ChatGPT can be a big help. It can be used to write product descriptions and titles that can help increase sales, giving you an edge over your competition. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, and ChatGPT can be used to create engaging chatbots that can automate customer service and support for businesses. Podcasts are also a great way to make money with ChatGPT. It can be used to write scripts that can save time and improve the quality of the content. E-books are another great way to make money with ChatGPT. You can use it to write high-quality e-books that can be sold for a profit. Newsletters are a great way to make money with ChatGPT. It can be used to write engaging newsletters that can generate revenue through advertising or sponsored content. Video scripts, press releases, website content, resumes and cover letters, grant proposals, legal documents, technical documents, transcription, translation, research, data entry, summarization are other ways ChatGPT can be used to make money. Video scripts are another great way to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you're creating explainer videos, promotional videos, or vlogs, ChatGPT can help you write scripts that are engaging and on-brand. Press releases are an important tool for businesses to promote their products and services to the media. ChatGPT can help you write press releases that are professional and newsworthy. Website content is crucial for any business looking to attract traffic and make money online. ChatGPT can help you write website content that is high quality and SEO-friendly. Resumes and cover letters are an essential part of the job search process. ChatGPT can help you write resumes and cover letters that stand out from the competition. Grant proposals are an important way for businesses and organizations to secure funding. ChatGPT can help you write grant proposals that are clear, compelling, and well-researched. Legal documents, such as contracts and agreements, are an important part of any business. ChatGPT can help you write legal documents that are clear, accurate, and protect your interests. Technical documents, such as user manuals and instruction guides, are important for businesses and organizations to provide clear instructions for their products and services. ChatGPT can help you write technical documents that are easy to understand and follow. Transcription is a time-consuming task, but ChatGPT can help you transcribe audio and video content quickly and accurately. Translation is an important tool for businesses and organizations looking to expand their reach and target new markets. ChatGPT can help you translate text from one language to another with high accuracy. Research is crucial for businesses and organizations to make informed decisions. ChatGPT can help you conduct research and gather information on a wide range of topics. Data entry is a tedious task, but ChatGPT can help you enter data into databases quickly and accurately. Summarization can be a great way to make sense of long articles, reports, or documents. ChatGPT can help you summarize text in a concise and easy-to-understand way. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can make money with ChatGPT in 2023. With its ability to generate human-like text, the possibilities are endless. As you can see, ChatGPT has a wide range of applications and can be a valuable tool for businesses and individuals looking to make money in 2023. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or a business owner, ChatGPT can help you save time and increase your earning potential. I hope this video has been informative and has given you some ideas on how you can use ChatGPT to make money in the coming year. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions down below, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.